What is up, YouTube? This is Zach of Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not one of my subscribers already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Focal, the 300 series LCR. Now, we are a direct dealer with Focal, so we offer their full line. These are really high quality, hand built, made in France speakers, and we're really excited to offer this brand to you. This series here I picked up to start with because it's going to be the middle of the road speaker, which I think is a good introduction to the brand for you guys. We offer a few other manufacturers, you know, Klipsch, Martin Logan, KEF, and I think this is going to be one of the highest end models or the highest end manufacturers that we have to offer, so I wanted to bring in a good mid-level model. So they also have the 100 series, this is the 300 series, and then they have the Electras, which is actually those speakers are more comparable to their hi-fi tower speakers and bookshelf speakers. They have the beryllium tweeters in them versus this is an aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. All right, let's do it. All right, guys, so as I said, this is a very, very high-end manufacturer, and they really care about their products. I mean, the fail rate is literally close to none on these because they hand build all of them and then test them with actual human beings, every single one, not just small test batch, which is what really kind of intrigued me on the brand. So a couple things that I do want to point out. We have pre-construction brackets for these as well as back boxes. So like this company has everything that I like to see as a custom integration company to fully maximize the potential of the system as well as ease of use. So like if you guys are going to be doing a theater in your basement and you're DIYing it, like a ton of our clients, we do have preferred installers if you guys need that service as well. But for my DIY guys, I mean, it doesn't get any easier. You put these pre-construction brackets into the wall, sheetrock guys, you know, come and cut it out for you, and you just pop them right into place. Easy peasy. All right, let's open this bad boy up and take a look. Like I said, this is the middle of the tier, middle of the road for their architectural line. 300 series has the magnesium aluminum mixture on the inverted dome, and then they have the model below, which is just an aluminum dome, and they have the models above, the Electra, which is the beryllium. So you can see they have warranty information as well as the installation quick start guide. So one thing that I do want to mention to you guys is you have to be very careful with this brand, just like any brand out there, that you're buying from an authorized reseller. It's very, very important that if something does go wrong with your product, that you have a warranty and that it's covered. We are an authorized reseller with nationwide free shipping, and we guarantee the lowest price on the products. We really appreciate y'all's support. So here's a cutout template. This is gonna be for you guys that are retrofitting it. Tons of our homes, especially you guys know we really do thousands and thousands of theaters in Texas. The Texas market, a lot of the homes are pre-wired, you know, with just, you know, boxes in the wall. Well, this is the cutout template that you're gonna use for those situations. Here's the installation quick start guide that I was talking about. Looks like they even have a video here where you can scan it. It's pretty cool. Gives you some quick adjustments, basically just a visual representation on how to install it. And you can see it also has adjustments for the speaker right here. Well, this is the boring stuff. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up so we can see the speaker itself. So actually, no, this isn't for painting. This is if you don't want to see the speakers through the grill. Here, let me pull it out so you guys can see. See how this grill is see-through? If you, has the Focal badge there too. If you want to hide the speakers completely, they have this little acoustically transparent sheet, but it does say that it may slightly lower the sound level, which I'm assuming it's tested to where it's not going to reduce the quality, but just the level output. So you'll have to adjust your calibration dependent on that. This is probably your paint shield right here, if I had to guess, because it has the little magnetic pieces here on it. So let's go ahead and open up the speaker and see. Whew, look at this. Yeah, buddy. That is, you can tell just pulling it out of the box, it's a very, very heavy, well-built speaker. Okay, let's go ahead and set this stuff on there. And go ahead and open it up. Super excited about this brand, guys. I can't wait to start getting some projects where we're getting this incorporated into the design. They even got like a little handles here for you, I think. Is that what those are for? We'll have to see. We'll read the directions. This is, like I had thought, a little paint grill. That's really nice for homes where, you know, custom homes where it's a really long process. You can get these things fully installed, clip this onto the speakers all around your house, and then the painters just go to town. And when they're done, pop your grill on there and you're ready to go. All right, let me show you guys an up close and personal look at this beauty. All right, guys, check it out. This is the up close and personal look at the 300 series in-wall LCR speaker. You can see this does have the flax woofers on there, which, quick fact, France, where these are made, actually is the #1 supplier of flax, just because of how the weather conditions are there, which kind of makes sense why they'd use it. The reason that they use this particular material is because of rigidity. It really holds up well. It's basically the next in line next to their W composite sandwich cone, which this one they call their F series for flax. And then they got the aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter right here. And what's cool is if you look at their install guide here, the quick start guide, that whole tweeter actually can be rotated. So as you can see, you know, they're kind of setting you up for different types of applications depending on where you would install the speaker to maximize the potential of it. They have the dip switches here for high level and mid level. Little foam pad. You can tell it's just like really, really well built. Another thing is these speakers don't require tools to install. So this is really popular with a lot of manufacturers. They're starting to go this way to where it kind of just pops into place. This is the back of the speaker. Again, this is the model 300 IWLCR6. We got gold-plated push terminals. Just really, really well built all the way across the board. I really can't wait to get these hooked up and hear them. But just looking at the design, you could tell they put a lot of money and thought into this. All right, guys, so that is the up close shot of it. This is with the grill on as well. I like that they have it badged out in the focal. This looks really nice, but see how you can kind of see the speaker through it? That's what they make this backer for. So if you don't want to see the speaker at all, you just put that behind it, kind of like this. Obviously you'll take the white sheet off, but you get the idea. Now it's hidden better. Pretty cool. They say it's a toolless design. A lot of the manufacturers are starting to do this, but it's not truly toolless because you still need, you know, a sheetrock saw to cut the sheetrock. But basically the way these clips work is you push it in and put some pressure right here and it snap, snap, snap right into place. Pretty sweet. And the last thing that I want to open is the pre-construction brackets. This is really cool. If you're one of my clients that's doing their theater room and you want to make life as easy as possible, this is sweet that it comes with this. Because essentially what you do is, I'm going to assume that this is going vertically just for this video, but snap on these like this. See, like that. And then say you have, like, you know, a stud here and a stud here as an example. This is, you know, pretty typical. You would then put the template like this, and then you would bolt it in here, 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 and here, and then the drywall just goes right over the template, and then the speaker pops right into place, making your life a lot easier because you don't even have to cut sheetrock at that point. The speaker just fits right in like that. Snaps right into place. Makes life really easy. And if we're going to be doing a new construction home custom build for you guys, we'll definitely put these throughout the entire house and pre-wire it to those locations so that the speakers pop right into place and everything is perfect. All right, guys, well, this is the unboxing video. My first thoughts of the Focal 300 series 6-inch end walls, the LCR. This is specifically designed for left, right, center applications. I'm going to also be unboxing some of their other products on the 300 series, but we do offer the full line. So if you guys are interested in purchasing Focal, make sure to reach out and show your support. We do have nationwide free shipping and we guarantee the lowest price on every product. Really appreciate it, guys. If you like this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.